Tired of looking like a pixelated potato on your video calls? Let's ditch that webcam and unleash the power of your Canon Eos Rp. It's a high-quality streaming machine. First, head over to the Canon website and navigate to the support section for the Eos Rp. We need to download the EOS Webcam utility software. Make sure you download the version compatible with Windows 11. Once the download is complete, run the installer. Follow the on-screen prompts to install the EOS Webcam utility. It's a pretty straightforward process. Just agree to the terms and conditions and let it do its thing. Now, grab a USB cable and connect your Canon Eos Rp to your computer. Make sure your camera is powered on and set to video mode. On your Eos Rp, navigate to the menu and find the video settings. You will want to disable HDMI info display. This prevents unnecessary information from being displayed during your video calls. Next, in Windows 11, go to your settings, then select Bluetooth and devices, and then cameras. Your Canon Eos Rp should now be listed as an available camera. Finally, open your favorite video conferencing or streaming app, like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, or OBS Studio. In the video settings, select Eos Webcam utility as your camera source. And that's it. You should now be streaming crystal clear video using your Canon Eos Rp. Say goodbye to blurry webcam woes and hello to professional quality video calls. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more photography and videography tips.